A next door neighbor needed someone to help them scrap some drywall. My boyfriend said, I'd give you about 2 weeks that you couldn't last. Valentine's Day, I'll be 3 years working drywall. So I'd say I lasted. I'm kind of a Jane of all trades. I frame it like I'm going to hang it, like I'm going to tape it, like I'm going to finish. And I have more to prove. I feel like sometimes as a woman, I don't see women on site. You could see people physically stop and stare. Hey, yep, I'm a girl. This is my hard hat. So it's very pink. I'm proud of being a female on site. Get a badass pair of boots and do it. Don't hold back. I'm a very confident woman and I can walk on any commercial site, find out who I need to talk to, what I need to do, and achieve that. I stand out on sites for a good way now. Do it. Is all I can say.